Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR massage table. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's cool. So we got a full-on bag for the whole thing so we can carry it around. A little pouch so we can put in our accessories. And we got a big carrying strap. Well protected, which is good. Ooh, that is a really nice material. That is super soft. Yeah, that is like luxury car upholstery. So the whole thing is not crazy heavy, like it's going to take some oomph to try to get these things up a couple of flights of stairs, but it is not unmanageable. It also has rubber feet on the bottom, so if you have to set it down, you can do that. And it looks like it's held together with a couple of clasps. So we are basically looking at just a fold-up table. That's neat. So we got a little latch right here. So this is our head support. So this is going to slide right into the end. Everything's velcroed on here. Our cushion for it. So that's neat. So this is the hook, and then this is the loop. So that will stick right on there. Then they reversed it. This is the hook, and then they got the loop up here. So they did have the good idea of actually giving us enough room that we can actually adjust these legs if we want to. So we can make this as tall or as short as we want to for our bodies. So this will just kind of flip up, and then it locks in place. And then if we want to adjust the leg height, you got just a couple of thumb nuts right there. And if we set that to the maximum. So the maximum is one pin too long to put it in storage like this. We can set it one step down and that will fold up no problem. These are actually nicer rubber wheels on here too. That is nice. And you can kind of see by looking at the opposite side, there is a track right here. So that is going to pinch against this piece of wood to make it a very solid leg. And on the bottom, we have got our arm support. So instead of just laying your arms over the side, you actually got something you can use to support them. So this is nice. And this will also attach with Velcro straps. Here we got our instructions. Not a heck of a lot to it. And one thing I like to see is that this isn't just a couple of hinges. This is actually a full length hinge. That's awesome. The reason that stands out to me is because this is designed for 750 pounds. So this is the big 30-inch version. This is designed for large people. With 750 pounds, you could put a couple of people on this thing and have no problem. So let's go ahead and set this guy up. So I got all the legs at the same height, so we don't have to worry about this thing being wobbly. This is a braided wire right here that's going to prevent that from moving. And then we got a bungee right here that's going to kind of keep them pulled together. And this is actually a pretty nice tall height too. So if you're a tall therapist, you're not going to have to be bending over and hurting your back trying to help somebody else. So the pins are just going to slide in. And we get the orientation we want, and we lock this guy down. What's nice about this lock is we can lock that in any orientation we want. We don't have to worry about this bothering the client. And because that pinches, that actually holds it in place as well. So this entire thing is Velcro, so we can use that to adjust for whatever length we want, and then we just Velcro that on. For the two rear straps, we either put those around the outside. What I'm probably going to do is right here on the back bar. And then we can kind of fine tune from there. So let's put this guy back on, and we have got a spot for our arms. So now that it's assembled, one of my main things I'm thinking about is that this is a long table too. So not just wide, but very long, which is important for me because I'm a fairly tall boy. So I'm gonna lay down on this guy, and we will see how comfy that thing actually is. It definitely does not wiggle like I expected something that is made out of wood. Oh yeah. If you're a massage therapist and you're looking at getting something that you know is going to be super heavy duty, this is going to be a great bet. If you just want one for yourself, like maybe you got a massage therapist or regular comes to your house, you want to have them bringing their own table in and out all the time, or maybe you're just worried about germs, this is going to be a great option for that. Or if you're like me and you're just a couple and you want to have something nice like this that you can share, it's going to be a great option for that too. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. I'm going to take a nap.